Hello everyone, welcome back with a new video. In this video, we will use VLOOKUP function to locate the certain information from the given data. For example, you have employee's ID, name, date of birth, designation, joining date, and salary. And if you want, on the basis of employee ID, you can get the name, position, and salary of that certain employee. You can use VLOOKUP function to get the results. We will use VLOOKUP function. In lookup value, we will select the cell where we will enter employee ID. We will table array, we will select the data. Press F4 to fix the data. In column index number, because we want the name and which are in the second column, we will use second, comma, and exact match false. And when we will enter the employee ID, employee name is being appeared. When we will change the employee ID, the name will change it again. Now we want position and salary as well. There are two ways to do this. First, we can copy the formula. We will just change the lookup value again back to employee ID. Positions are in the fourth column. We will change the column number to 4, and as you can see, we are getting the position. We will apply the same method again. We will again change the lookup value. Column will be changed to 6 because salary is in 6th column, and as you can see, we are getting the salary as well. But if you have newest version of Excel, you can use this. Instead of changing one by one, in column index number, open the curly bracket, use second column, comma, fourth column, comma, sixth column, close curly bracket, and hit enter. As you can see, name, position, and salary are being appeared. Thank you. If you like the video, do follow my channel for further newest videos. Thank you.